Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be showing off my one-of-one proto old timer by ArtbyUM. I've had this piece for a couple years now. Like I said, this is the promotional copy that he used in all of his promotional photos, his reveal video, which was worn by his personal actor. I have these hillbilly teeth in them as of right now. I did have the opportunity to get the full-on costume, but I decided not to because I wouldn't really have any use for it. So just got this mask. Like I said, it's one of one. He offered the prototypes for the different versions that he made. And this is the clean version, if that's what you want to call it. Nice attention to details. Got the chainsaw oil dripping down his forehead. This piece is very, very cool. Silicone, real human wig. The undershell is actually the actor's face. It's not a life cast, but it's damn close. If you look closely, you can actually see. I don't know if it's on this eye or not. It's got eyelashes. Love this mask. Definitely one of my favorites. Love the way Leatherface looks in that movie. Hugo always does a great job. It's always fun to deal with him and see what he creates next. There's the eyelashes you can see right here. Hugo really nailed this mask. And it has a very, very cool custom stand. I mean, it just does not get any better than that, folks. There's a lot of replicas out there of this, the 2022 mask, but Hugo's is definitely the best, in my opinion. There's the back of it. Very, very nice wig. There's the bottom of the stand. ArtbyUM. Very, very nasty looking. There's the mask in different lighting, just to show you guys a different look at it. Very, very nasty looking. I'll take the teeth out, show you guys what it would look like if you were to get one. These are just some cheap hillbilly teeth I got. It actually does have teeth on the display head. I do plan to get the display head painted. The front face, not the entire head, but the face, just to kind of give it a little bit more life. Like I said, this is one of my favorite masks that I own. Definitely one of my favorite looks of Leatherface. A lot of people hate the movie and the way he looks, but to me, he looks pretty badass. I mean, it really does look like a real skint face. I think Hugo still offers these. I'm not really 100% sure on that, so don't quote me. Quote me, don't quote me. But if he does, reach out to ArtbyUM and see if he still offers these. Like I said, he did different versions. The makeup version, this version, and the bloody version. It don't get no better than that, folks. But anyways, guys, just wanted to quick share that with you all. Thumb this video up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more. Stay tuned. I do plan to do another giveaway whenever I hit 2,000 subscribers. So definitely sub for more. Stay tuned for more videos. And we'll see you later.